Hi guys, welcome to Distracker channel. So guys, I'm discuss very important topic that is called Instagram. Today I'm discuss topic about that Instagram. So in this Instagram, everyone using for Instagram option. So guys, everyone about Instagram, you can always comment me on the particular option. First of all, any Instagram particular you can use the Instagram compulsory connecting for Facebook page. I'm not saying about the Facebook profile. I'm saying about that Facebook page. So in this Facebook page, how will we connect and how we can posting the Instagram content to increase Instagram follow purpose. This video mainly Instagram followers. So in a previous Instagram ad will be created without Facebook, but nowadays compulsory Facebook mandatory. The Instagram connecting will be in this Facebook page mandatory. Facebook profile also will be connect and Facebook page also connect. Facebook page purpose, you can increase your branding purpose. You can increase your branding. In the Instagram ads will be supporting for along with the Facebook ad also. But I'm not using for Facebook ad, just only for creating for Instagram ad using for Instagram mobile application. First of all, we have to posting for certain image on the Instagram account. So this purpose, learn advanced digital marketing video tutorial. So in this my channel, you can comment me any particular comment box that will be help to the audience to how we can getting for Instagram followers and Facebook earnings. Everything will discuss on the particular my channel. So that is a purpose. We can follow our channel, you can get idea. Now I'll go to the point. I don't disturb any kind of matter. So coming to this, Instagram will be using for desktop and mobile application, both. In the mobile application, first of all, start click option will be called promote. In this promote option, what are the parameters are there? So in this parameter, we can selecting here where to enable connect experience, set up your account center. Now I'm selecting will be Instagram with my profile options are there. Now click for here. Now in this, I can use this option, it will be here. Now steps. Click for promote option. In a promote option, they are showing here more profile visit, more website visit, more messages. So which one you are looking for? I'm increasing my Instagram followers. So which option will be click? First option will be click. Click this option. After that, click for next. This Instagram ad will be finished by 4 steps. First step, your goal. There is your profile visit, website visit, and more message. I'm looking for most of the in a particular option will be here. So in this, now will be here. Next will be click for next option. After that, you can selecting for audience, automatic audience. I can selecting for anyone. Select one is called manual audience. Create your own. That is called audience name, location, interested age. But my target will be everyone. So I'll go for back. In this, I'm selecting automatic. Click for next. I have to introduce everyone to know about my profile. In this, what is my daily budget? I can start from daily 80 rupees. So here will be added the particular option. So the display will be your over the spending limits at the ad manager. Please adjust limit. So I'll increase over the 6 days. But I'm selecting for one day will be 80 rupees. So this will be charging for. The estimation reach will be 1100 to 2800. That will be run here. If I'm selecting here, over the 2 days, 160, over the 3 days, 240. See this. When I'm increase the budget, people reach also will be increased. First of all, I can check for daily wise. So this is my daily. Click for next. After that, goal, more profile visit, audience, automatic, budget duration, 80 rupees per day. Payment will be, we have to add the payment will be, in a payment options are there. we can go to payment option, add the fund by using Paytm option. So here we can using two methods. Facebook, we have to using for Facebook manage. Facebook.com/manage. So just I'm clicking for manage option. So I just open the account here. Account will be open. We can checking for my budget. How much budget will be there? First you can go with checking for billing option. I can add the amount, but I'll show you here also be better to understanding. So my budget will be right now 00. Okay. Now coming to Instagram, now I'm adding for budget will be only 100 rupees. Now I'm adding for 100 by using Paytm option. So as instructions, I'm security option will be disable this option. After adding payment, I'll show you here. Before that, we can check the payment option will be 0. Now here will be 100 rupees I'm adding here. So budget was completed here. Now click for create promotions. Now finally, it will be promotion will be start here. Now click for promotion option. Here is the option will be called here. Every option will be there. Profile visit spend and everything will be shown to the customer will be here. So you have to wait for a certain time to activate by the your particular promotion option. So this is a method we can create ads from the Instagram to increase the Instagram follow purpose. So we can using the Facebook also there. If you go to Facebook, here boost your Instagram post, and it will be lot of options are there. But coming to the Instagram, it only based on your choose your post and increase your profile visits based on the posting the content. Your content is more important to getting for views and profile visit. The people follow your Instagram account. So follow the instructions and increase your Instagram followers based on your content. This is more important. People can reach your profile, automatically get the followers on your Instagram account. Don't forget to always post your content on Instagram page by using desktop and mobile also. So a lot of future will be given by the desktop and the mobile also to posting content on Instagram. If you further any doubts, please ask me on the Mr. Rakesh channel. We always support you on the particular my channel, Mr. Rakesh, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. So any kind of visit in your particular options are here. You can check any kind of Instagram visit. You can check in for in my mobile option here. So compulsory we can promote any kind of post by using Instagram account to increase our followers by creating ad Instagram mobile app. Add your budget as usual and promote it. And next video I'll show how to increase Instagram followers by using Facebook ad option by showing Instagram and Facebook ads. So follow these steps and increase your profile visit, posting the best content, and people will be watch your post and follow your post and getting your followers on the Instagram account. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel when you click here link option. Thank you very much.